Hello students, today we are going to do the fourth poem of our book Beehive, that is the Lake Isle of Innisfree. This well-known poem explores the poet's longing for the peace and tranquility. Tranquility means Shanti, the atmosphere of Innisfree. Innisfree is a place where he spends a lot of time as a boy. This poem is a lyric. So the way in which the poem is written is lyrical. The poem is written by William Butler Yeats, W.B. Yeats. W.B. Yeats is a very famous poet in English literature. The poet says, I will arise and go now, and go to Innisfree, and a small cabin built there of clay and wattles made. The poet says that it is a real place near the coast of Ireland named Innisfree. He went there and he spent his childhood there. He feels it quite comfortable, peaceful place. The poet wants to spend his life at Innisfree now, away from the noise and chaos of urban life. Over there, he plans to build a small cabin of clay and wattles. Wattles means twisted sticks for making fences and walls. So he wanted to make his small cottage of clay and wattles. 9 bean rows will I have there, a hive for the honeybee, and live alone in a bee-loud glade. He says, I would go there, make a cabin, grow bean plants in 9 rows. So he has made it quite clear. He has made all the plans very clearly that he would go there, make a cabin and grow bean plants in 9 rows, and also have a honeybee hive so that he can have the honey, the purest honey, the nectar of life for himself. He desires to live in this peaceful space alone, where he can live with the buzzing sounds of bees, unlike the city, in peace and tranquility. So he feels that in city there is chaos, no peace is there, always noise, no tranquility. So he wants to live there and listen to the sound of buzzing bees. When he says bee loud glade, he says, I would live in the open space or clearing without any vegetation, so that I can simply and easily listen to the music of honeybees, and I shall have some peace there. He wanted to live in peace. For peace comes dropping slow, dropping from the veils of the morning to where the cricket, there midnight all a glimmer and a noon a purple glow. He describes how the place is, how the creatures there, how he would spend the midnight, the noon and the evenings. So he describes it as he wants to go to Innisfree without any delay. Right now he wanted to move. So because at that place one can feel the peace slowly and gradually. He says for peace comes dropping. Dropping means very slowly. In the morning, now he makes the plans. In the morning he can feel peace when he sees the morning mist. Glimmers means the mist. And dew covers the land. The shining drops of dew means glimmer here. While the cricket sings in the background, he says that in the morning, early morning, I can see the mist, the dew covered land, and in the background the crickets would be singing. There is a feeling of peace even at midnight when the stars glimmer in the sky. And at afternoon, he says purple afternoon, at afternoon when the sky seems purple, and even in the evening when one can see linnets flying in the sky. Linnets, a small brown and grey bird with short beak. So he says in the evening when the linnets would be flying in the sky, he still feels peaceful. These imaginaries used by the poet add to the beauty of the place that poet wants to desperately visit. He says that in the buzzing of honeybees, in the flying of linnets, in the singing of cricket, I feel pleasure, I feel tranquil, I feel the peace. I will arise and go now, for always night and day. He says, I am going right now. He cannot resist the temptation to go to Innisfree. He insists that he will arise and go to Innisfree because wherever he is, jahan bhi wo hai, whether on the roadway or pavement, I hear the lake water lapping with low sounds by the shore. While I stand on the roadway or on pavement's grey, I hear it in the deep heart's core. He says that right now I am in a place full of hustle bustle in the city, but he says that the imprints of Innisfree are so deeply marked on my heart that even when I am living in the city full of chaos, full of confusion, loud noises, I can still feel the peaceful atmosphere, still feel the natural music right now even. So the memories, the imprints are so deeply made on his heart. So he can say that the atmosphere of Innisfree is so loving that I cannot resist myself to go there. I can even feel it right now. So he is whether on the roadways or the pavements or wherever, whatever time it is, day or night, he hears the lake water lapping with slow sound by the shore. Every time he have the imprints of that lake water lapping with slow sound on the shore again and again. He can even hear the sound of the water in his heart's core and feel that Innisfree is beckoning him, recalling him. Therefore, he must go there immediately and lead a quiet and peaceful life. So you can see that whenever we become so tense in our lives, we feel so struck up in our daily life, we feel to go on a vacation. But here the poet don't want to go to vacation. He wants to relive the moments of joy which he would live in his past days, where he had already spent his childhood days. He feels that Innisfree, the lake Isle of Innisfree, is the only place he can find tranquility, peace, calmness, and natural bliss. So he wants to leave all the worldly things right now and move to Lake Isle of Innisfree as immediately as possible. I hope you have enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a great day.